What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best carpet cleaners in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save money and still get a product of decent quality, we say check out the Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner, also known as the best budget carpet cleaner available on the market in 2022. We're looking at a compact and light machine for washing carpets for pets with an electric device for effortless cleaning and storage. Thermal force technology delivers much faster drying than traditional carpet washing machines. The Hoover PowerDash is a lightweight device measuring 15.2 by 10.13 by 43.5 inches and weighing 12.5 pounds. It has a 20-foot power cord and a half-gallon water tank. This upright machine may be small, but its size makes it easier to deliver powerful cleaning in tight spaces. The base of the carpet cleaner uses Hoover's PowerSpin pet brush roll, which easily lifts and sucks up the pet's mess, while the built-in heat force power speeds up the drying process. Also included in the mix is a double tank system for optimal cleaning, as well as a 500 milliliter clean water tank. Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is specially designed for pets, featuring antimicrobial brushes that prevent the spread of bacteria and unpleasant odors on carpets and rugs. It'll also allow you to easily remove stains caused by pets such as vomit, urine, and more. In addition, this model provides twice the cleaning power thanks to its powerful brushes. Many carpet cleaners rely solely on technical jargon to convince customers that their product is best. Hoover PowerDash is more focused on cleaning efficiency and suction power, providing you with deep carpet cleaning and antimicrobial protection. As noted, the cable is 20 feet long, which allows you to cover large areas while cleaning your carpets. Some of the advantages that users point out are the use of hot air to quickly dry carpets, high ease of use, and the ability to clean twice as fast as other cleaning products. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you're searching for the top bang for the buck, we say look no further than the Bissell CrossWave Floor and Carpet Cleaner, which quite rightly took the title of the best value carpet cleaner available on the market in 2022. If you want to disinfect, wash with shampoo, and thoroughly clean your carpets at the same time, Bissell CrossWave is the steam cleaner for you. In short, Bissell CrossWave Floor and Carpet is a powerful, high-quality rod vacuum cleaner. In addition, this shampoo is able to remove larger dry residues. You can use Bissell's cleaning products or make your own to save money. The device has enough suction and cleaning power and is designed in a rather classic style. However, this in no way diminishes the versatility of this steam broom cleaner. As a vacuum cleaner for dry cleaning, its cleaning head contains a multi-surface brush roller that can remove dirt and debris. In addition to cleaning hard floors or washing carpets, the rotating brush is made of microfiber, which allows the device to absorb the cleaning solution and water for proper cleaning and maintenance of floors. In addition, the cloth is soft enough not to scratch your sensitive floors. There are 2 separate tanks on the Bissell CrossWave. One is used for clean water and cleaning liquid, and the other for storing dirty water and residues that are sucked into the device. By following the indicator on the tank, users are able to create the right amount of floor care products for floor cleaning without consuming water or cleaners. The dirty water waste tank has a capacity of 0.4 liters and can be easily removed from the device. There are buttons for cleaning mode of the handle that allow you to choose the type of floor cleaning, carpet or hardwood floor. Thanks to Smart Touch control, a simple push of a button gives you the ability to switch from one mode to another. In addition to cleaning the floors, the device must be set to carpet mode. To do this, press the appropriate button on the handle of the device. Bissell CrossWave is very versatile, absorbs, saves space, and removes stains at the same time. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, we present the Hoover SmartWash Automatic Carpet Cleaner, also known as the best mid-range carpet cleaner available on the market in 2022. If you have carpets at home, you know how complicated and boring their frequent cleaning is, which is why many decide to leave this to professionals. However, a company specializing in household products wants to make your job easier, delivering professional results using the new Hoover SmartWash Automatic Cleaner. The whole cleaning process is completely automated. You just have to run it over the carpet without pressing anything. All you have to do is add fluids and she'll do the rest. The machine automatically mixes and dispenses the cleaning solution, and then automatically cleans by detecting the required amount of detergent. It finally dries automatically when it determines that your carpet is completely clean. All you have to do is run it over the entire surface of the cleaning mat. You just have to move it back and forth on the carpet, as you would with a vacuum cleaner. Every time you push it forward, it starts to wash. Every time you put it back, it starts to dry. There is also an auto dry function, which allows you to extract water strongly with heat force for faster drying. They also gently remove deep-seated dirt, grime, and clutter from pets, and the one-step nozzle makes the brush easy to clean. In addition, this mode has a 2-in-1 antimicrobial tool for pets and a removable nozzle that makes it easier to clean the brushes. Thanks to the double tank system, the device is easy to fill, empty, and rinse. The trigger-free design offers easy deep cleaning as well as vacuuming. The Hoover SmartWash automatic carpet cleaner comes in the size of 18.9 by 13 by 43.5 inches, while it weighs 20.5 pounds. Finally, the package includes an 8-foot fastening hose, a pet tool, a small carpet cleaning shampoo, and a small bottle of spot chaser stain treatment solution. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. For all professionals, we especially highlight the Bissell Big Green Machine Professional Carpet Cleaner, also known as the best professional carpet cleaner available on the market in 2022. This is a device that combines performance and ease of use. It sports 8 rotating brushes and a 1400-watt motor to offer pro-level results. With Bissell Big Green Machine, you get professional carpet cleaning whenever you want. High-capacity clean and dirty water tanks mean you get the best deep cleaning with less going to the sink. Thanks to the extremely large brush roller it's equipped with, Bissell Big Green manages to clean even the deepest dirt in your rugs and carpets. To shorten the cleaning time as much as possible, this device cleans back and forth, allowing your carpets and rugs to dry much faster than most other shampoos. With the floor cleaner, you get a handle and a special tip to deeply unclog corners and the hardest to reach places. Bissell Big Green Machine Professional Carpet Cleaner is an ideal device for cleaning commercial environments where carpets require regular cleaning, all thanks to its design that allows it to be quickly cleaned and dried. Bissell Big Green has 8 rows of dirt lifter power brushes that allow it to deeply unclog carpets and rugs at every aisle. A 1400-watt motor makes this shampoo a true powerhouse, delivering professional-grade suction power. The strong and high-quality materials used in its construction make Bissell Big Green a durable and reliable device. To ensure maximum safety during use, this washing machine is equipped with an anti-tilt system. To make it as easy as possible to store and save space, the handle can be folded at an angle of 90 degrees. Bissell Big Green Machine Professional Carpet Cleaner has 2 independent tanks to separate clean from dirty water. It is also equipped with indicators that allow you to know the level of water in cleaning products and when to add more. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have come to the unanimous conclusion that Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro is the best overall carpet cleaner available on the market in 2022. This Bissell carpet cleaner is elegant and sturdy. It comes in a variety of colors, including purple, silver, and clear plastic surfaces. Transparent parts allow us to see the parts and the brush. It also has powerful brushes for lifting dirt. The transparent cover is easily removed and protects the brush rolls, which makes it easy to clean the brush whenever you need it. This unit is very attractive due to its numerous color combinations and beautiful design. Now let's move on to the technical specifications. The rated power of the carpet cleaner is 6.8 amps. It also has a clean 5-liter tank. The cleaner comes with a cable length of approximately 64 centimeters. The cleaner also has heat wave technology. Combined with a double brush roll that repels dirt, it enables maximum removal of dirt. Another feature that can be used to remove pet stains and hair is the 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool. Both dry and wet regimes are possible. Moisture will dry in just 30 minutes when you use the human mode. This tool can also be used to remove pet odors. You don't have to buy a special air purifier. The cleaner comes with a small urine eliminator for pets of trinal size, which can be used to test the effectiveness of the cleaning agent. This will allow you to decide if you want to buy larger quantities. Also, the machine comes with an antibacterial formulation. The hose is about 0.65 feet long and is easy to maneuver. It is lightweight, so it can be easily stored. You can reach all areas under the furniture with a hose of this length. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.